Hello everyone. Now this is one new Seagate 12 TB pension hard drive. Now we have read the ROM. Anyway, we can check there is something wrong with the RAP check error. And sometimes we need to use the hard drive ROM chip pin reader to read the ROM again to confirm the ROM content is read properly. And for this kind of new Seagate HDD hard drives, and we can check within the COM terminal, and this is ID information by Control A, and we can check the SN number, the model number, and if Control L, we can see the firmware error is knocked. And we can also find out the common terminal messages are different from the traditional hard drives. And the family for this 12 TB Seagate drive is BC. For this kind of drive, it's not an issue to run a disk image or file extraction project. And after we read the ROM, we can try to power off and power on to get the drive ready, because if users operate on the ROM, the drive enters the boot mode. Within boot mode, the drive will not be ready, so we need to enter the normal mode. Now the drive is ready, and we can switch to the DFL DDP data recovery software, and we can see the hex view, get ID information. Okay, this drive is empty because it's one new drive, and users can try to format the drive to set up the partitions and store the data, and we can try to use the file extraction project. And here, if this pension drive contains some partitions, users can try to scan those partitions, or the DDP data recovery software can list also master partitions automatically. If this pension drive has bad sectors or unstable heads, and users can switch from the file extraction interface to the disk image, all users need to do is to select one target drive to be used as the target disk. Now we can create one VHD, and this is 112 TB VHD. Actually, it's VHDX. So we can click create, close, and use this one. Use this VHD as one target drive, and click OK. Now let's check the imaging speed for these 12 TB HDD drives. Okay, and here we just need to adjust a little bit the disk image settings, and click OK. Click start image. Now we can see this is the disk imaging speed, and it's about 180 megabytes per second. So this one is running smoothly at high speed, and we just need to keep an eye on this imaging process and wait until the imaging completes, and then users can extract some lost data from the VHD, this target VHD drive. Okay, so it's very smooth disk imaging speed at the 180 megabytes per second. Okay, thank you for watching the video.